if you're having one of those days where your mind has taken over the driving seat, where your mind is trying to play the role of the master, then I invite you to practice this very simple mantra meditation. And it's using, I suppose, a little bit of reverse psychology on our own mind. So what you can do is you can take a moment to pause in your day. If you've got somewhere where you can sit quietly with your eyes closed, amazing. If you're not and you're in your day but you can't sit down or you can't close your eyes, then you can even try this whilst eyes are open and you're fully engaged in life. And the mantra that you repeat is, I wonder what thought I will think next. I wonder what thought I will think next. And you repeat that mantra over and over and notice what happens. In a way, what we're attempting to do is to short circuit our mind, to break the pattern of the habitual thoughts that have been running through our mind in the day. So give it a go. Take a pause. If you can, close your eyes and repeat, I wonder what thought I will think next. I wonder what thought I will think next. Have a beautiful day. Lots of love. Bye bye.